Where they going, y'all? Look at them. As you can see, it's a cloudy, windy day today. Looking at all the blackbirds that's traveling. I don't know if they're traveling because it's finna get cold or they're looking for food. But y'all see them. Guess they loading up. I'm peeping out of my front door, you all. Just looking at all these birds. I don't know where they're going. Look at them. Yeah. And the birds are leaving like that, you know. Getting ready. Like I said, maybe they're looking for food. Going from yard to yard. Trying to scrap up something that yes, they can take with them. Look at them now. Look at them. Remind me of that movie, that The Birds. Y'all ever seen that old movie called The Birds? Where the birds were flying down and pecking on people. You see stuff like that, you think about movies that you done seen. Okay. Just wondering, y'all. I seen them out there in my yard. Yeah. Maybe they getting ready to go north. I think we already in the south. Okay. You all have a blessed and wonderful day.